Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome back to another video. You're going to be hanging out with us today. We are doing a lot. It's spring break, so trying to get some stuff done while we're home. And this was supposed to be the nicest day to do stuff, but it's actually way colder than it said it was going to be. Probably because it's cloudy. It said it was supposed to be in the 60s, but it is it's cold. Peek down here in the cellar, grab the potatoes. We're going to take them to Grandma. She's going to cut them up. And while she's doing that, while she's cutting them, we're going to work in the flower bed some. We're going to lay down the weed moisture barrier first, and then we just went and bought 15 bags of mulch. So we're going to get all that put out too. So basically today is going to be all about gardening. Let's go down in there. Holly's a little nervous. All them potatoes up there, go ahead and grab them and put them in your bags.
Yogi. You.
What? It's just a potato.
Can you give me one?
This is smaller.
Grab out of that bucket.
I'm too small.
Get the
Don't worry about the bucket ones.
I can't reach anymore.
Why?
Okay, I'll reach you and put them in there. Alright, let me see your bag. It'll be perfect for planting. Let me see yours. You got a lot. Full.
Yikes.
Alright, let's get this door shut. Whee! That fun? You go again? Whee! Woohoo! You're silly.
Baba!
Bye-bye! Oh, careful! You gonna go see Thor? Oh, you're gonna get in the chicken tractor. Alright. Yesterday, I did this side, laying the weed barrier down. It didn't take me too long, it wasn't bad. So today I gotta do this side. This side's like out of control. It's looking rough. But my hostas are sprouting and all these little perennials I have planted are sprouting. So, and the grass is already getting out of control in there. So lay that down, and then we've got a trunk full of mulch. 15 bags. I was actually gonna get 20, which I probably gonna need 20, but there's no way I could fit 20 in there. We barely got 15. So that's gonna be exhausting, unloading all of that. Those are heavy. So we gotta lay down the weed barrier on this side and then spread mulch on both sides. So happy planting. Alright, we're gonna get started now. Laid Hetty down for naps so make it a little easier. We've got this barrier we're gonna put down, and I don't even know where it's from. Bo used to do like mowing yards and landscaping as a side job back before he did YouTube, just for extra income. So I guess it's just a leftover for when he did that. It's just been in our shop, so we're gonna put it to use today, and we're also gonna use it in our garden too once we get it planted. But that'll be another day when we do that. But so I've got this, and then I bought these little landscaping pins to stick it in the ground. So me and sister are gonna get started on this section. So maybe just like speed it up, make it fast, put some music on it. Thanks, Bo. thankful I have 2 helpers because how's the workout?
It was?
We're definitely out of shape. We're not tired.
I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
I'm full of energy.
Alright, we just had lunch break. We were getting hangry. So, I'll show you what we just did. I didn't put this on camera. I put this edging all along to hopefully hold in the mulch because it likes to wash up on the porch on this side. So there's not a lip. So I put that lip on there. Hopefully it'll keep the mulch in. That side I don't have to do that because the concrete sticks up and so it keeps the mulch in. But this side it didn't. So I just laid that down. Now we're going to start on the mulch. And then we'll be done.
What's this? Vince, trying to run across it.
Bo's going over the garden to get with the tiller so we can put the potatoes in after this. Maybe they made a little obstacle course, I guess.
That's easy. Ha, you fell.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some gloves. Alright, go ahead. Woo! Well, as much as we can't get done. Now we need to get all these trash bags picked up. That's literally all we got done on this side. So,
Compared to the side over there.
we largely underestimated the amount of mulch.
Like, 15's enough.
Darn
I
it.
think we did need 20.
We needed more like 30. But my car wouldn't have held more than 15 anyway, so it wouldn't have mattered. So we know that the max that my car will hold is 15 bags.
No, we could do,
We did find that out.
I could do 16.
Alright, yeah. We're gonna go wash our hands. Someone woke up. Say hi.
Mama.
Yeah, Mama. Say hi. Can you say hi? Huh? What time is it? It's tater time. What time is it? It's tater time. We're gonna go plant some taters now. You ready? Okay, I guess he's ready. Let's get him in the ground.
So these are some of last year's potatoes that we set back to plant this year. So we planted 2.5 rows last year. We had more than we ate all year long. So we got 3 rows this year, and should have enough for the next year and enough to bless some other people maybe with some.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We are worn out. My hands are gonna have blisters on them, I do believe. So soft hands. Didn't wear gloves. Not the smartest thing.
Teacher hands.
Idea. Teacher, soft hands. So anyway, we are going to head back in and get ready for church. So if you haven't subscribed to us, please subscribe, ring that bell, like this video if you enjoyed it, and we will catch you guys on the next one. So bye.